wind is killing me. It's killing me.
Good morning. It's 7:30 in the morning. It's been a very cold night, and I feel I'm gonna have a cold day ahead. Cold day ahead. But besides that, I can hear the birds, cannot be too bad, and it's much colder than anticipated. But the weather looks good, and yeah, nothing is really dry. I guess the humidity and the cold did not help. So I'll find some decent way of pack everything and then get ready to go home.
Typical Dutch back road, which is still with asphalt, next to a canal, and in the middle of the fields. It's a wonderful day, totally worth all the rain that I took yesterday. And according to the windmills that I see over there, the wind is on my side now. I don't feel it, but that's, I guess, is not that much wind. And yeah, it's me, the sheep, my bike, happiness. So I decided to take a break, about 55 kilometers behind me, about 65 in front of me. So it's a wonderful day, and also wonderful places too. The wind is sucking the life out of me sometimes, but I'm managing so far. The wind broke me entirely. Didn't stop 1 second, was always straight ahead. Super strong. Damn. I thought I was fitter than this, but yeah, my legs are hurting, my spirit is hurt, my ego is very hurt. Back on my yellow wall, really tired after the trip. The wind took something out of me for the entire day. The wind is on my side now. The wind is sucking the life out of me. This wind is killing me. It's killing me. It has been a very nice trip. I saw a part of the Netherlands that I never seen before, and I'm happy that I could explore that too, which is after all the meaning of all this going around with my bike and the bags and the tent and everything. For sure, I learned that I can make it under the rain, under a full day of rain, but I could have prepared better. Overall, it has been really great to see this part of the Netherlands, to go through all these difficulties, because yeah, I really feel this is one of the last opportunities I have for 2021. So I wanted to catch it, and I did it.